Hello people, this is Guru, and in this session we are going to discuss about language processors and different type of language processors. So first of all we will know about compiler, assembler and interpreter. So let's start. The high level language is converted into binary language in various phases, and we know that a compiler is a program that converts high level language to assembly language, and similarly assembler is a program that converts the assembly language to machine level language, and an interpreter, like a compiler, translates high level language into low level machine language. The difference lies in the way they reads the source code or input, but a compiler reads the whole source code as once, create tokens, check semantics, generate intermediate codes and execute the whole program, and may involve many passes. Then we can say an interpreter reads a statement from the input, converts it to an intermediate code, executes it, then takes the next statements in sequence. Now we will discuss about language processors. Language processors are nothing but softwares. They usually takes a source program in one language and translates that program into another language, and that is the purpose of language processors. Then now we consider figure number 1, that is a compiler. Here we are showing one kind of language processor known as a compiler, which takes a program in source language and convert it into target program. Target program written in the target language, and later the program will get executed whenever it required. In case of compiler, when compilation or translation process will take place, the program is not executing. Once this target program will obtained, then the program will be asked for the execution whenever required, and when the program will be executing, no translation is taking place. That means only during this translation process the compiler and the source program must have coexistence. But whenever program will executing, then there is no need to have the compiler coexistence. Now if we consider this one, that means there is the target program. Target program is getting executed on a target computer. There the compiler need not to represent, and during this process it will take some inputs and it will process that input and will produce the required output. Now if we come to the figure number 3, then we are getting this one. It is an interpreter. As if an interpreter executed on a program line by line. So interpreter will translate each and every statement of program. Program means source program taken in some source language, and it will produce the output in other language, that is target language, and from there the program will get executed. So line by line translation, priorly execution, line by line done by this interpreter. Obviously when a particular statement is getting executed, if it required to take some input from the input devices of the system, Then it will take those input from the input devices and it will process it and the required output will be obtained. Now come to this compiler. This is a special type of compiler known as hybrid compiler. So now what will happen, the source program will be taken by the translator and it will produce the program not in the target language but some intermediate program will be generated, and this intermediate program will be totally machine architecture or machine platform independent. Platform of the system or platform of the computer means the architecture of the hardware or the architecture of the machine and the operating system. Combinedly we called it as a platform. So now this particular intermediate program, which is written in some intermediate language also known as intermediate program, will be totally platform independent, but this particular platform independent version of the program will be executed after taking input from input devices through a virtual machine, which will be platform independent. So this virtual machine is platform dependent, which will take this particular intermediate program as input and this input from the input devices, and it will execute it and produce required output. So this is known as a hybrid compiler.